Begin your mornings with a nutritious and delicious smoothie that is both quick to prepare and packed with flavor. Smoothies are an easy way to kickstart your day, especially when you're pressed for time and still want a healthy meal. Today, I'll guide you through 35 practical tips and recipes for making 5-minute smoothies that are nutritious and satisfying. The basics of smoothie making to create the perfect smoothie: ensure a balance of fruits, greens, proteins, and a liquid base to keep it flavorful and nutritious. Using frozen fruits can save time while giving your smoothie a creamy texture and a refreshing chill. Choose a liquid base such as almond milk, oat milk, coconut water, or even plain water to ensure a smooth blend. Adding a protein source like Greek yogurt, peanut butter, or protein powder will help make your smoothie more filling. Essential smoothie ingredients: bananas are a versatile base for any smoothie, adding natural sweetness and a creamy texture to your drink. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, bring antioxidants and a rich, vibrant flavor. Greens like spinach or kale are great additions, offering nutrients without overpowering the flavor of the smoothie. Tropical fruits like pineapple, mango, and papaya add a sweet and exotic twist to any recipe. Avocado provides a creamy texture and healthy fats, perfect for a smooth and velvety drink. Seeds like chia, flax, or hemp add fiber, protein, and omega-3s to boost the health benefits of your smoothie. Quick recipes for every morning mood: classic berry blast, a mix of frozen mixed berries, a banana, almond milk, and vanilla yogurt for a fruity treat. Tropical paradise, blend pineapple, mango, coconut water, and a splash of orange juice for a tropical start. Green energy smoothie, combine spinach, green apple, a banana, and almond milk for a refreshing morning boost. Peanut butter banana delight, blend a ripe banana, creamy peanut butter, and oat milk for a rich, indulgent drink. Chocolate dream smoothie, a banana, unsweetened cocoa powder, almond milk, and a hint of maple syrup for a sweet escape. Time-saving hacks: save precious minutes by pre-portioning your smoothie ingredients into freezer bags ahead of time. Frozen fruits eliminate the need for ice and keep your smoothie flavorful without watering it down. Keep a personal blender on your kitchen counter for quick access and an easy cleanup process. Measure and store powders, seeds, and spices in small containers to save even more time during busy mornings. Creative add-ins for extra nutrition: Greek yogurt is perfect for adding probiotics and creaminess, making your smoothie extra satisfying. Adding a handful of oats creates a thicker texture and makes the smoothie a more filling breakfast option. A dash of cinnamon or a drop of vanilla extract enhances flavor without adding any sugar. Nut butters or whole nuts bring healthy fats and protein, creating a rich and satisfying smoothie. Hidden vegetables like carrots or zucchini are excellent for sneaking in extra nutrients without altering taste. Tips for customizing your smoothies: add a splash of lemon or lime juice to balance the sweetness and brighten the overall flavor of your smoothie. For a thicker texture, use frozen fruits or a handful of ice cubes while blending your ingredients. If your smoothie turns out too thick, slowly add more liquid until you achieve the perfect consistency. To cut down on added sugar, stick to natural sweeteners like dates, ripe bananas, or honey for extra sweetness. The benefits of morning smoothies: smoothies are a convenient way to pack vitamins, minerals, and fiber into your breakfast for sustained energy. They provide hydration, especially when made with water-rich ingredients like watermelon or cucumber. A well-balanced smoothie keeps you full and energized, making it easier to focus on your day. Smoothies are incredibly versatile, letting you customize the ingredients to fit your taste and dietary needs. Conclusion: these quick and easy smoothie recipes are perfect for busy mornings, ensuring you never have to skip breakfast. Try one today and see how it can energize your day.